Okay, so I'm here with an employee. And I'm so happy because I got to take a break from the exercise. I'm here with Kenville Rouse.
Yes.
Say hi, Kenville.
Hi.
And he actually works with the parrots. So he's a parrot specialist.
Yes.
What exactly do you do to take care of them? You feed them?
Yeah, well, on a day-to-day basis, what we do, we come in here, we take care of them, we feed them up once a day.
Once a day.
Yeah.
What do you feed them? What do they eat?
Well, what we usually do, we collect food 2 times per week, and that is what we collect, like all kind of fruits.
Oh, so they eat food. They don't
Yeah.
eat meat.
They don't eat meat,
Okay.
no meat, no chicken.
No meat, no chicken, just
Yeah,
fruit.
just
Okay.
fruits.
And
Yeah.
what they bathe? Do we bathe them?
Yeah, we have to bathe them like twice per week because they pick up mite.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
and might does make them feel sick.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
Yeah. So what we do, we bathe them twice per week.
Twice a week.
Yeah.
And how? I was trying to count, but I really wasn't able to. How many
Yeah.
do we have?
Well, we have presently now we have 24.
24.
Yes, please.
And I think we have some overseas. I think.
Yes, we send 15 to Germany. Yeah, where we're doing a breeding
A
program.
breeding program. So hopefully we're going to
Yeah.
get a lot more because
Yes,
there
yes.
aren't a lot of these left
Yeah,
really in
yes.
the world. So
Okay.
and they are unique to Saint Vincent.
Yes, they are really unique. I think we have the prettiest in the world.
Of course, I
Yeah.
saw them,
Yeah.
and the yellow, the blue, and the green are so vibrant.
Yeah.
I don't know if my camera picked it up, well, but
Yeah.
they are really pretty.
So you went in there?
I went inside
Okay.
just for a little, but if you can take me inside.
Yes, we can go inside.
Good.
Yes.
So I'm getting to see them twice in one day.
Okay.
Oh, we get to go in, and I actually get to go inside the gate.
Come on.
Hello.
So you can put the mic on the one down there.
Oh.
Then-
Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. So I get to see them up close, which is so awesome.
Don't be afraid.
Okay, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. One, this is what they eat.
Yes, please. This is all of the fruit what they eat.
Okay, guava. I love
Yeah,
guava.
yeah. So we can get this one on the camera.
Oh,
Hello.
you don't want to eat that? You don't want to eat that?
What they really like? Nuts.
Nuts.
Yeah.
Nuts.
Well, I don't have no nuts right now.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Oh, wow.
You notice the one now is saying hello. to
Hello, he's saying hello.
you. Yeah.
Don't say hello. I can't whisper, or I would whisper.
Yeah. So what we do now, breeding program here, and it's very successful because we get part every year.
Oh,
And what we do also, we do a census in the fish.
oh, because they are wild ones
Yes, we have got 900 to 1,000 in the
in the wild.
Yes. So we usually do a census to find out
How
they are
many
doing.
and how if they would if they
Yeah,
reproduce
yeah,
in the wild.
and so forth.
Wow.
But our program here is very successful.
Oh my God, I can see that. I
Yeah,
can see that.
yes, yes.
And they are healthy.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
They're vibrant.
Yes.
Yes.
And really and truly, we need to protect the farm.
I know.
We need some protection up there.
Exactly.
Yeah, because when you destroy the forest, you destroy nature.
Yes.
And also the
And the
birds.
eco balance
Yeah,
and things like
yeah.
that. And I mean,
Yes.
not only for the parrots, there are so many other
things,
creatures
yeah.
in the wild that we
Yeah,
need to protect.
Yes, exactly.
I was so happy when the
Yeah.
Prime Minister actually made it illegal to hunt
Yeah.
turtles,
Yes.
completely.
Exactly.
I was so happy because,
Yes.
it was so hurtful for me to see, so many,
Yes.
turtles being killed and eaten.
Yes,
I would never
yes.
eat
Yeah.
something like that.
No. can satisfy. And we in the Avery here too, we don't like to eat wild meat
Well,
because we protect them.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. My foreman said he's done with that. I used to, so I resign now.
That's really good. But oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much for giving me this tour. I've never been so close
okay.
to them.
Okay.
And, you know, I'm sure that there are a lot of people, you know, outside of St. Vincent and the Grenadines who don't know about, you know, the Amazona Gilding.
Yes.
And, you know, thank you so much on behalf
yes.
of everybody. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
There's this sign that's very interesting. It shows some of the wildlife of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So first, you see there's the St. Vincent parrot, or as we as I would have told you before, the Amazona gildingi. We have the iguana, the black snake, which is not my favorite. There's the agouti, the hummingbird. Then there's the manikou. It's really nice.
There I dress myself.
Here we have a tree that was planted by Prince Edward and his wife, the Earl and Countess of Wessex. It was planted on February 25th, 2012. They visited St. Vincent, they visited the garden, and they planted this tree. I'm not sure what type of tree it is. I'm going to research and I'll put the name of it somewhere here. That's the tree. We have to leave now because they're locking up. The last time I came to the gardens, I actually came with a gentleman, and we got so caught up with talking that when we went to the gate, it was locked and everybody left. Like we were locked inside of the garden. We had to jump over the gate. Yes. We had to jump over the gate. Don't want that to happen to me tonight. So we are going home. They close at 6. So we're going to leave. Right, it's 7 minutes to 6, so we are going to leave. Thank you so much for joining us. I really hope you enjoyed the scenery and enjoyed seeing the Amazona gildingi. That was my favorite part. I don't know what we should do next week. I don't know. If there's any places in Vincy you want to see, then please send me an email, vashaffairs@gmail.com, or leave a comment on my Facebook page, and I will gladly show you my beauty. So from us Vincy's to the rest of you, bye.